Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. I am Khandokar Media Sandifa. So many of the people have already sent me SMS and they wanted to know about palm cavitation. Due to being busy someday, it was not possible to upload any video about palm cavitation. So now I will describe about palm cavitation. First time I will describe what is the palm cavitation and why does it occur and how to remove the palm cavitation and what is the effect of the palm cavitation. So if you want to know about the palm cavitation, please keep seeing my video until the end. So now I'll describe about palm cavitation. Okay, in palm side there's a two side. One is suction side and one is delivery side. Okay, when the pump is rotated, that time it takes suction from the suction side. So if any of the reason, if the suction side pressure is low, that time low vapor pressure of the water is created, and that time also the vapor bubble will also created. When the vapor bubble will go to the pump suction side, that time impeller is rotating, so it displaces from the suction side to delivery side. Also delivery sides have too much pressure, also it is called high pressure region. So when it is traveling the high pressure region, that time the bubble will explode or implode. Okay, when the bubble is implode, that time the shock wave is created. If shock wave is created, that time it is called pump cavitation. So what is the effect of the pump cavitation? Okay, when the pump cavitation is occur, that time it is created too much forces, and it will give forces to the pump casing side also and pump impeller side also. Okay, then pump casing is also damaged, the impeller is also damaged. If impeller is getting too much shock wave, that time it is attached with the shaft. When the impeller is getting shock wave, that time the shaft is also getting shock wave, so shaft is also damaged. And if shaft is also damaged and shaft is also getting shock wave, that time it is transferred to the mechanical seal, so mechanical seal also damaged. If the mechanical seal also damaged, then it will and also shock wave is also created in the pump shaft. So we know what between the pump side and the motor side there is coupling arrangement, so it transmitted to this pump shaft, it will transmit it to the motor also. So motor is also getting shock wave, so motor shaft also damaged and motor bearing also damaged. So it is the effect of the pump cavitation. Okay, so now I will tell why does it occur and how it is occur. Okay, first and thought, how it is occur, how the low pressure is created in the suction side, and why the bubble formation is occurred. Okay, first time we thought that why low pressure is created here. If the pump takes suction any kinds of tank, so if the tank water level or liquid level is getting low, that time it didn't take suction enough, so low pressure region is created in the suction side. As a result, bubble formation will occur. Okay, if any of the reason, suppose in the pump suction side there is too much arrangement, you have a pipe arrangement, you have a flange arrangement, you have a valve arrangement, you have a also suction strainer arrangement or suction filter arrangement. Okay, if any kind the valve is getting jammed, that time low pressure created, cavitation will occur. If any time pump inlet pipe is getting restricted, that time it is getting low pressure, so pump cavitation also created. If any of the reason our pump filter or pump filter is getting dirty, that time the pump cavitation also created, because of low pressure is created here. Okay, suppose your ship is in the rough sea, so that time the vibration also occur. So when the vibration also occur, it will affect it in the suction side. So here is also created in the low pressure vapor, also low pressure suction created in the suction side. So as a result, cavitation will also occur. Okay, of any of the reason, if there is too much loose connection in the flange too much loose connection in the filter cover also, and too much loose connection in the valve also. That time the water is getting leaked. So when this water will leak, that time the pump pressure also down, suction pressure also down. So as well the cavitation is also occurred. Okay, this is the reason of the pump cavitation. Okay, one of the reason, most important reason, if your liquid which you pumped by the which you pumped by the pump, so that time if the liquid temperature is too much high, that time when it takes suction, that time low vapor pressure created also here, so pump cavitation will also occur. Then how will you remove it? Okay, you will remove it. Oh, one of the reason I have left, I have already left. So NPSAs, if your available NPSAs, if your available NPSAs is less than required NPSAs, that time cavitation will also occur, because here low pressure is also created. Now I will tell how to remove the pump cavitation. Okay, first time you have to check your tank level, there is a sufficient water or not. Okay, then after that you will check the any kind of any leakages in the pipeline or not. Okay, after that you will check your flange connection, it is too much tight or not. You will check the valve arrangement also, you will check the filter arrangement also. In filter cover and filter arrangement, there is a gasket also. If gasket is damaged, that time the water is leaky from the here, so that time the cavitation will also form here, because low pressure is created in the suction side. If any of the reason restricted is created in restriction created in the suction line, that time pump pressure also drop. So as there is a vapor formation also created here. So okay, now today is this much. If you have any question or in any topics, so please send me SMS. I want to try solve all the answer. Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone.